getting a little buggy out now, so I brought out the new bracelets that I got. They are by MosquitoSpell. They're amazing. They're 100% safe, and they use 100% natural essential oils. The smell is lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. They smell so good, and whenever you're not using them, you just put them back in the bag and they last up to 10 days. And I will show you guys, they're adjustable, and you guys know I've mentioned in the vlogs before how much Maverick gets bit. I don't know, for some reason out of all of us, he gets bit constantly, and I do not like spraying any harsh chemicals on him. I have an all natural like bug spray that does not seem to work on him, but these seem to do the trick, and they smell amazing. So I will show you guys them. I've used bug bracelets in the past, but they were like stretchy and they weren't like comfortable for like the kids or anything, and these are like microfiber. He is still healing from bug bites. He gets just bit all the time. All right, Mavi, put your bracelet on, boo-boo. And I just cut the excess off of them so they're not like dangling. And there you go. And the best results are to put one on each hand, so that's what I do for Maverick. Come here, Mavi, one more. Yeah, they're for bugs, so bugs don't bite you, remember? Don't want the bugs that bite you. And look how cute they are, you guys. And they're super comfortable. And they don't like bother you or anything. Go ahead. And you can also put them on their ankles if they try to like pull them off, which is what I did with Maverick last time. Paxton likes them on his ankle. Look how cute. There you go. All right, you're all ready. If you're like me and you don't like putting harsh chemicals on your kids, I really suggest these. They've been working great, especially for Maverick. I put 2 on him just because he gets bit more often than any of us. And I will leave the link for these down below if you're interested. I like that they come with 12 and they're cheap, like $14.93 for a pack of 12. And each bracelet can last up to 10 days. And when you're not wearing it, you just put it back in the package. So I really recommend them. I've been liking them, and they're perfect if you live in an area that is buggy. Here, I love the summer, but one thing I hate about the summer is the bugs that come along.